अकॉर्डिंग टू 2011 सेंसस एसटी का लिटरेसी रेट भारत में जो था वो था 59%। लेकिन आज जब हम बात करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डेटास, द एसटी लिटरेसी रेट इन आवर कंट्री इज अप्रॉक्स 79%. Hello everyone, this is Alka Mishra and today's topic we will going to discuss about one of the important initiatives which has been taken by your Ministry of Tribal Affairs and UNICEF for specially for the tribal school going students. So now we will study in detail what is actually this Talash scheme is all about. So the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and UNICEF India jointly launched Talash, a national program aimed at fostering holistic development and career clarity among tribal students of Eklavya Model Residential School. So from here it is important what is actually Talash and what is the another particular initiative, that is Eklavya Model Residential School, because this is actually also the initiative which was started specifically for the school going students for scheduled tribes, that is specifically they belong to scheduled tribe, but yes, to some extent reservation was given to SC student as well. But the Talash scheme which has been initiated, the initiative which has been taken by UNICEF and Tribal Affairs, is specifically for your tribal students. So what is actually Talash is all about? So Talash is basically a tribal aptitude and life skill and self-esteem hub initiative and under this particular initiative, students will be going to be developed, like students digital, they will be going to aware about the digital platform. So it is a digital skill platform. The students will be going to be advanced with technology will be taught to them under this particular initiative. So it is a basically, what is the full form? Tribal aptitude, life science, life skills and self-esteem hub is a digital platform designed to support students self-discovery, life skills, career planning, and it is the first initiative at the national level which is specifically focused for the tribal students. And it is an initiative with your, basically this is also important that UNICEF is involved in this along with your National Education Society for Tribal Students, that is NESTS NETS. Next, now UNICEF is an international organization associated with United Nations. It is specifically for working for the development of children worldwide. So UNICEF has a various initiatives which is going on in Africa as well, India as well, and specifically in the South Asian countries. So this organization works for the children and development of children and related issues, either it can be education, poverty, or any kind of social or harassment, exploitation or trafficking which is going on in the world wide with your small kids and student. Now coming back to the topic, what is actually the objective of Talash? Talash जो initiative है, it is specifically we have saw it is actually for the development of students for a digital point of view. Plus, it will also going to educate and counsel students for their further career. So it is also an initiative which is also going to work for a career choices. Students will be aware specifically kya, the tribal students are covered under this. So they will be actually informed, they will be career ki how this particular digital scenario can be useful for your career, or if they want to go for any other career counseling, then under this initiative that will be done. So it is basically to promote the self-awareness and personality development. Number 2, inform career choices so that it can be also on aptitude-based assessment. We are also giving aptitudes for UPSC. Aptitude is very important for a personality development of an individual. So that's why they will also going to help in career choices to use them for aptitude-based assessment. Plus, they will also be taught about the life skills and emotional. It is not only for individual to develop कि भाई खाली skills पे काम करिए. It is equally important कि आप अपनी life skills और emotional capability पे भी काम करिए, क्योंकि future में इस तरीके से emotional बहुत से ऐसे life में मौके आते हैं when you have to decide or opt between your emotional and practical life. So कई बार emotionally जब आप decision लेते हैं, being an IAS officer, that is also not good for your further thing. इसलिए जब आप ethics पढ़ेंगे, you will study कि किस तरीके से इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस पे काम करना है एंड हाउ यू ऑलवेज यू नीड टू बैलेंस अबाउट योर पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल ऑप्शंस इन करियर्स ऑप्शन एंड बेसिकली डिसीजन. सो इक्वली यहाँ पे इन्हें भी सिखाया जाएगा हाउ दे कैन फर्दर डिसाइड कि व्हाट विल बी द लाइफ स्किल्स, हाउ टू डील विद दीज काइंड ऑफ इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, द वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, हाउ टू मेक अ डिसीजन मेकिंग. दैट इज इक्वली important. Plus there will be teachers who will specifically going to mentor them and guide them for a good career career option and for a effective life and life skills. So these are basically the objectives which has been set up by the Talash scheme. And please, I am repeating again and again that this is specifically an initiative which is important, which is dedicated only to tribal people, और कोई नहीं होगा, including your female and male, मतलब girl child and boy child. But yes, it is very important that it is only a tribal oriented program. Now, what are the key features of the Talash? So we have already objective, we have saw key features. First of all, you are also working on the digital platform ke saath saath, you are also working on a psychometric stuff. That means psychometric assessment, and it will be a NCRT based. Based on NCRT, Tamanna, a different Tamanna framework will be started, and student will going to take a aptitude test. A personalized career card will be made under this particular initiative. So first of all, NCRT will also be part of it. Plus there will be a proper aptitude test, and there will be a proper career card will be made of a student, so that they can guide him accordingly or her accordingly what are good career options you can prefer in your future. Now, career counseling, obviously we have saw the objective, and it is also the key feature of the Talash. It will going to help students to basically align their interest and passion. For example, majority of the student currently who are working in this particular corporate world or different scenario economy, majority of the people, they are not doing the things by choice or what they love to do. So majority of the things of people who are working in the society, they are by force because of the financial situations. So from the very starting, they will be counseled कि भैया how you will going to use your strength and interest and work accordingly. आप उस particular profession में किस तरीके से काम कर सकते हैं. Now life skills and self assessment, we have already saw कि किस तरीके से आप अपनी life skills पे काम करेंगे, how you have to interact, how confidently you have to interact, communication skills पे काम करेंगे, because हमने देखा है सिस्टम इज डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट कास्ट एंड क्लासेस देयर, एंड कई बार जब आपको इंफीरियर फील कराया जाता है इन दिस सोसाइटी, तो ऑटोमेटिकली योर कॉन्फिडेंस गोज डाउन. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि उनको उस तरीके से फील कराया जाए. दे हैव टू फेस द सोसाइटी, सो दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव बीन ट्रेन्ड अकॉर्डिंगली, दे हैव बीन काउंसल्ड अकॉर्डिंगली. एंड प्लस ई लर्निंग इज द बेसिक थिंग, एज वी कांट forget the soul of this particular initiative is your career counseling as well as e-learning for teachers also there, students के साथ साथ. It will also going to empower teacher with digital tools and training, because if teacher are not aware, if they are mentoring the student and if they are not aware of the digital technologies and basically the tech, they are not tech friendly, then definitely it will not going to help them. But they can't help the students that much effectively. So it is also the key feature of this Talash is basically e-learning for the teachers. So majority of the time teachers feel that कि हम कैसे सीख सकते हैं, we are already advanced, they should be learn. But नहीं, here it is equally, it's a vice versa stuff. Teachers also have to learn. Then when teacher will going to understand the tech, then definitely they will going to easily and very effectively they can teach to student as well. So it is, these were the key objectives. Now it will going to, how it will going to basically help. Definitely it will going to empower the tribal students, empower the tribal community, because majority of the differences which can be seen, the whole reservation, the war and the ladai which is going in the societies because of the discrimination and education. If people are educated, they will get better opportunities. There will be no such need for reservation in the society. And I always personally in a favor कि there should be no reservation should be given in these kind of government services. Always reservation should be given at the lower level, so that individual can be developed very openly and very freely, so that the education if provided at the basic level, then definitely आपको advanced level में इस तरीके की reservation नहीं देनी पड़ेगी. But yes, because of the political parties and their agendas, these kind of reservation will always exist in the society. We can't say always, but yes, like for the next 100 years, it is not seem possible कि हाँ reservation will basically extinct from our society. But yes, this is also a vote bank politics which is done in our society. But yes, definitely this thing will going to empower the tribal youth. It will going to make them techno advanced and techno savvy as well. Plus it will also going to bridge the gap between the emotional and the aspirational gap. In short, a right guidance will be given to them. क्योंकि वेन एवर वी क्रॉस आर 10th क्लास, फर्स्ट वी आर कन्फ्यूज कि साइंस लेना चाहिए, आर्ट्स लेना चाहिए, और क्या बोलते हैं कॉमर्स लेना चाहिए. बहुत सारे पीयर प्रेशर में दे प्रेफर यूजिंग डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट, टेकिंग डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट. कुछ लोग को समझ नहीं आता. मैनी ऑफ द पीपल स्टिल लाइक आर सोसाइटी स्टिल थिंग्स दैट कि आर्ट्स के साथ कोई ज़्यादा करियर नहीं है. कॉमर्स है तो सीए बन सकते हैं, बट देर आर वराइटी ऑफ बेसिकली करियर ऑप्शंस करंटली इन द सोसाइटी जो कोई भी कर सकता है. लाइफ इज नॉट ओनली रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड साइंस. दिस डजंट मीन्स कि वी शुड स्टॉप प्रमोटिंग साइंस, बट एटलीस्ट हमें थोपना बंद कर देना चाहिए लोगों पे साइंस पे. पीयर प्रेशर को किस तरीके से अवॉइड करना चाहिए, दैट इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दे आर वर्किंग फॉर दीज ट्राइबल पीपल, कि वो एकेडमिक और इमोशनल एस्पिरेशंस को एक साथ मिक्सअप करे. प्लस इट विल ऑल्सो गोइंग टू इनहांस द नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी प्रोग्राम विजन दैट इज 2020, जिसके अकॉर्डिंगली वी आर एक्चुअली ऑल्सो वर्किंग ऑन स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड डिफरेंट curriculum activities, and we are also trying to work on different aspects of the society, not only the mugging up of the content. So this education policy is actually basically about understanding the stuff rather than just mugging up the things, और उस तरीके से एक रट्टू तोते की तरह काम करने से प्रिवर्ट करता है. प्लस इट विल ऑल्सो गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन remote tribal regions through digital innovation, so that digital innovation के वाया आप इस tribal population को जब आप connect करते हैं, if a child is illiterate then definitely उसकी family भी literate हो जाती है, या उसकी family का understanding level में, चीज़ों को कंज्यूम करने के लेवल में देयर इज टू सम एक्सटेंट देयर आर डिफरेंसेस. सो इट इज ऑलवेज एजुकेशन इज द की फॉर नॉट ओनली द सक्सेस, बट एजुकेशन इज ऑल्सो की फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द सोसाइटी. प्लस एजुकेशन इज ऑल्सो अ की for the change in the mindset of the orthodox and rigid society. So definitely it will also going to help those people, because in past few years we have saw that majority of the tribal people can be seen from the Santhal community and different communities on the higher positions in the government, which is actually a example for other people कि भाई नहीं, एजुकेशन कैन ब्रिंग डिफरेंस इन द सोसाइटी. सो योर मुर्मू जी एंड डिफरेंट योर कैग मिनिस्टर एंड वेरियस अदर मिनिस्टर, अनदर मतलब अदर बेसिकली गवर्नमेंट पोजिशन होल्डर्स, दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स कि आपका जो ट्राइबल स्टेटस है या कास्ट स्टेटस है वो बहुत लंबे वक्त तक आपको इफेक्ट नहीं कर सकता इफ एजुकेशन एंड स्किल इज योर क्वालिटी. Now, one more thing is very important from here, that is Eklavya School of Model. Eklavya School Model, actually it's a school of model which was initiated specifically for the tribal students, but not only for the tribal students. So tribal student, a specific school will be made that will be dedicated to tribal people, but yes, there are reservation, 10 to 15% reservation for the SC students as well. But majority of the students who will study in these Eklavya School models were basically will be only from ST. And it is the Talash initiative is a part, actually they are collaborating with Eklavya School of Model. So what is the actually initiative? It's a flagship intervention of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Government of India to provide quality residential education to scheduled tribes students from class 6 to 12. It is also important कहाँ से कहाँ तक, to 6th to 12. UPSC can ask you only for the basic education or for the higher studies, nahi, only for the 6 to 12 student this particular Eklavya school is there, so that they can get better and better opportunities. Halaki this is not a new initiative, it was started in 1998, but with a better version and development and amendment, it has been expanded in 2018 and 19. In 2018 and 19 it was also spoke about it in your budget, and budget mein a good amount of number has been dedicated to these Eklavya model of schools, after which a lot of development has been seen in the quality of education enrichment in the tribal areas. Now, what are basically the features, or what are basically the terms or things which we are working under this? So the thing like the education or curriculum which will be followed under this Eklavya is CBSE curriculum for all the schools in education, and it is actually completely free under Eklavya model. This is also important कि majority of the things and schools which are running under Eklavya model, the fee is actually free. Then non-ST students, as I told you, can also be admitted, but only seat up to 10% of the total seat. केवल उस particular school की only 10% seats are reserved for the non-ST people. Plus, if there are some ST people, they can also take admission. 20% of the reservation in these Eklavya school models are made for the students, ST students who are coming from any quota or sports quota. So reservation of 20% of the seats and the sports quota for deserving student, ST student who have excellence in field of sports. So 10% reservation for non-ST students and 20% reservation seats for basically your ST student, but who are coming from your sports quota. Then each school has a capacity of 480 students and equal number of seat for boys and girls. So they have also make sure कि ये कास्ट की इक्वलिटी के साथ साथ एसटी इक्वलिटी के साथ साथ जेंडर इक्वलिटी पे भी काम करे. सो इट इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम जेंडर इक्वलिटी perspective. Plus it will also going to promote the it will also going to work on the discrepancies which are present in the society. So these are basically the terms. And now what is the objective of Eklavya model? To provide quality education, whom? To the tribal people, to work on their development and counseling, prepare them for future and the society, and work them not only develop the, work on the enrichment of your digital, work on the digital enrichment as well. So केवल उनको इस तरीके से रट्टू तोता नहीं बनाना है, उनको कम्युनिकेटिव बनाना है, इतना सक्षम बनाना है कि दे कैन वर्क ऑन दी सोसाइटी, एक अच्छी पोजीशन पे दे कैन वर्क ऑन द सोसाइटी. मोर एंड मोर एसटी इनरोलमेंट, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एसटी के बच्चे स्कूल जाएं सो दैट दे कैन अपॉर्चुनिटी अकॉर्डिंगली. कम से कम डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो इन द सोसाइटी, बिकॉज येस वी आर लिविंग इन द अर्बन एरियाज बट स्टिल in the rural and in extreme rural areas there are still the discrimination which is happening in the society on the base of name of caste and gender. So it is very important. It will going to avail, give them a good opportunity. It will have help them to have a good level of education. It will going to provide them a middle and high level education quality. Then it will also going to help them to enhance or inclusive, basically it will going to give an inclusive environment basically to them to get involved in the system, and it will going to basically end the gap which is between the STs and the other part of the society. मतलब एजुकेशन में जो वाइडन हो चुका है गैप उसको भरने में भी बहुत ज़्यादा मदद करेगा, एंड एक और ओवरऑल एक ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर काम करेगा. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट दिस एकलव्य मॉडल स्कूल एंड तमन्ना स्कीम, तलाश स्कीम. So you have to keep in mind that this initiative is basically of Ministry of Tribal Affairs, NEST, and your UNICEF has basically initiated this. It is specifically, and it is one of the education initiative only for the tribal students in India, only for the tribal bacche, but it is under your Eklavya School of Model, and Eklavya School of Model is basically not 100% scheduled tribe thing. 10% is actually reservation is for SC student and 20% reservation for the ST student who are basically from the sports quota. So these are the important things, and it is equally important for not only they will going to work on skill development, they will also going to work on the digital development as well. So that's all for today. Hope so you have understood the topic, and in a very simple manner I just tried my level best to convey the things. It is very important topic from prelims and mains perspective, so please make sure you're following these kind of channels, and for further videos and for further information you can follow our channel and you can like and share our channel. Thank you so much.